Hey, what's going on everyone? In this quick video, I'm going to show you 7 different methods on how you can fix the iPhone touchscreen not working issue. Okay guys, so the first 3 steps that I'm going to start off with require you not to be able to touch the screen itself. So these are some tricks you can try before we go ahead and try anything else. So the first thing we want to do is just to go ahead and do a hard reset of the iPhone device. And much like a computer, if there's any temporary glitches, we just want to go ahead and restart it. And the same applies for the iPhone device. So for iPhone 7s and above, you can restart the device by pressing the volume up, the volume down, and then the lock screen button. So I'll just go ahead and do this now. So quickly press down, and then I'll hold on to the lock screen button. And if I keep pressing this, this will go ahead and power down the iPhone without me having to touch the screen whatsoever. And then I'll just go ahead and let that reboot, and hopefully that should fix any issues that you may have with the screen not working at all. So the next thing you want to do is actually to go ahead and clean the screen. So if I just get this on the right angle, as you can see, my screen is very dirty and greasy. And as the iPhone screen works with electrical current, if there's a lot of grease and dirt, it actually won't recognize any of my finger kind of tips and my finger kind of commands at all. So pretty much what I want to do is just to go ahead and clean my iPhone screen. And as you can see, as soon as I do that, there is still a lot of dirt and grime. So I just want to go ahead and clean that as well and as much as I possibly can. And you can use just a tissue, or maybe a screen wipe will work just as good, or an alcohol wipe, which will really cut through any grease and dirt that you may have on your iPhone device. So hopefully that will go ahead and fix any issues that you may have. However, if that still isn't working, another thing you can try is to actually go ahead and kind of just firmly press around the corners of the iPhone. And you also want to go down the sides of the iPhone as well. And this is mainly because if you have dropped your iPhone recently, maybe on the corner or on the back, this actually may cause the connector to the screen to become loose or actually disconnect from the screen itself. And this will cause maybe a temporary glitch, and you actually won't be able to touch the screen and it won't recognize your commands. So you just want to go ahead and firmly press around the corners of the iPhone, and hopefully that will go ahead and allow you to go ahead and retouch the screen as well. So if none of those things are still working for you, you can actually go ahead and reset the settings on your iPhone device. So this is very easily done by going into the settings, and you want to go down to General, and then you want to go down to Reset. Now once you're in here, you want to go to Reset All Settings, and just as a side note, if you've saved any custom settings on your iPhone device, this will delete them. And you also want to avoid Erase All Content and Settings, as this will delete all of the photos, apps, and pretty much everything on your iPhone. So for this particular method, you want to go ahead and reset all settings, and then you just want to go ahead and put in your passcode to confirm that change as well. So the next thing that we can try to go ahead and fix the iPhone screen not working issue is to actually go back into the settings, and then you want to go up to Software Update, which can be found in General. And you just want to go ahead and update to the most recent version of the iOS, as depending on what version you are on and also the iDevice that you do have, this actually may be causing a temporary bug or a glitch that may be causing the screen not to respond. So to get the most recent version of the iOS, you just want to go ahead and press download and install, and this will bring you up to date, and hopefully this will remove any temporary glitches on your iPhone device. So if this still isn't working, another awesome fix that you can try is just to go back to the settings. Now, once you're in here, you want to go back into General, and you want to go down to iPhone Storage. So once you're in storage, if your storage is very low, maybe you only have 50 or 100 megabytes left, this actually may be causing your iPhone to freeze constantly on the screen, as there actually isn't enough RAM or storage to process the apps, and this will cause the iPhone to constantly freeze on the screen no matter which one it is. So the next thing you want to do is actually to go ahead and free up some space on your iPhone device, and now you can go down to the apps and you can simply tap into them. And you can just go ahead and delete app, and then I can go ahead and confirm these changes. And that will go ahead and delete the app and free up some space on my iPhone. So another step you guys can try is to actually go ahead and go to the App Store on your iPhone, and you may have actually downloaded an app onto your iPhone that may be a bit buggy or glitchy, that actually may be causing your iPhone to be constantly freezing or maybe causing the iPhone screen to not respond. So what you want to do is go to the top right hand corner of your. Now once you're in here, you just want to go ahead and update all the apps on your iPhone device. So you can go through individually and update individual apps, or you can just go ahead and press update all, and this will go ahead and update all of the apps. So there you go, guys. There's some simple tips and tricks that you can try to get the iPhone touchscreen back up and running. So if any of these have worked for you, or maybe you've come up with your own solution, please share that down below in the comments section, as you'll be helping thousands of other iPhone users out there that read the comments. So as always, thanks for watching, and again, I'll see you all in the next one.